Watch out. The one who is hanging here. I just killed him. But actually, I'm not the murderer. If anyone says I'm the murderer, then the god is also a murderer. If destroying the bad is meant as murder, then I have also done a murder. In our literatures, our forefathers, who has noticed the bad one and taught us good things. In every family, every father who learned the good things, they definitely will teach their son and daughters about it. All the bad stuffs are getting noticed. One and only pinpoint the good things. But whatever the thought comes in your heart is not alone good or bad. A good person can differentiate both good and bad stuffs. Whoever lives as per their wish, they are the bad people. Without a right birth, without a right growth, a guy who lived is himself. My name is Mati. I'm basically from Ali Nagaram of Theni district. My father behaved as a living god in our temple, which is our home. Not only in our family, but for our whole town.
Hey there.
Sir.
Did you eat properly?
Yes, sir. Ate fully.
Are you happy?
No, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Dear, did you inform Deepa's result to the Madis in the phone?
How did I forget to inform my own son? Cha. I made a very big mistake.
I know you're always absent-minded fellow. Give the phone to me.
Oh God.
What is the noise? Dad is calling. He is jogging there. Tell Daddy.
Hello, Madi?
Oh, Mom. I am Bundi speaking, Mom.
Hey, where is Madi?
He came to the ground early morning. Still now he is practicing. I don't think so he come home without cup. Okay, leave it. What is the lunch today? Try to send that in courier.
Dear, first listen to me what I'm saying. Your sister Deepa took state first in the plus 2 board exam, you know that?
Wow, it's a great
If
news.
Madi comes, convey this to him, okay?
Okay, I will inform him and also I will come along with him. No need to send courier.
Idiot, first concentrate in your studies, okay? Don't forget to tell to Madi, okay? I'm keeping the phone.
Nice,
Bye.
dude. Will they ask it back?
Hey, give it. There is no chicken for me and you need juice.
Why are
Go.
you doing like this?
Actually, I was continuing my studies in Madurai by staying in a hostel.
Adi,
Master,
why are you doing this much of hard work? You already came in the morning and practiced for 3 hours. It is more than enough. You are already in a good form.
okay,
Why are you
Master.
making yourself tired by practicing continuously?
Just for the sake of winning the match, I'm not doing such a practice. Actually, my dad hasn't seen me getting defeated at any time. But actually, I would like to see the smile on my dad's face forever. If I win this match, compared to me, my dad is the person who gets happy forever.
Your father will be always happy, my boy. Because
Yes,
you are
Master.
born to win, my dear.
Without any signs of upcoming bad days, our life was going very happily at that time.
Hey, come here. Hey, you two come. Hey, you come and stand here. Hey, you come and catch my leg. Anyhow, I have to grow up. Not only in my life, in my personality also. Okay? Now this leg. Hey, why are you turning it? Hey, it's paining. Leave it. You both go. I will manage it for myself. Why these sheets are roaming here? Okay, Bald Master came. Listen, we have to manage that. We are doing exercise, okay? Come.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, what are you doing?
Exercise.
Then what we are doing? You can't follow us? You are trying to get good name by doing separately. Just follow me. Boys, come fast.
Hey dude, look at
What,
that.
man?
Monster Kaliya.
Hey, Jackie Chan. I joined sports only to avoid the torture of Max teacher. If you go first means you will have to bear the torture. That's why you want me to go? You go. You go first.
Not mean like that. You have done a good practice, dude.
With my practice, I cannot do jumping, man. I can only can do pumping. Hi, Madhi. Come on. Tell me, how is your practice?
As usual, it was going really
Okay,
good.
when you reached the ground?
I reached as usual, Master.
Good.
Master, compared to yesterday, today we have to do it best,
You can
Master.
do. Please
Thank you,
carry
Master.
on. Okay.
Sure,
Oh
sure.
my
Turn towards us.
god.
Hey,
Uh,
why you guys are standing here without practicing? Actually, master, I have a little bit problem in my uterus. Hey, that is a female organ. No, master, I have a ache here. I can't tolerate the pain. Okay, he has problem in uterus. What is the problem for you guys?
sir, his
sir,
case
he
is
says
not
he's
well,
not
sir.
well, sir.
That's why we came to tell you, sir.
What you can do? Your friendship is like that. Go, go. Master, don't worry, master. This time we will definitely lift the cup. Which cup you are talking about? That round cup, master. Hey, you won't come up. You won't come up. If you people join with him means you will also won't come up. You are going to roam around the streets. Go. Hey, buddy. Your
Yes, master.
performance is increased rather than the previous one.
Thank you, Master. It's all because of your encouragement I can perform like this. Thank you so much. Master, compared to yesterday, today my energy level is very low. So, shall I go for
Why
4
not?
rounds?
Go, go, go.
Okay,
Carry
okay,
on.
okay, master.
Class of
Hey,
female
I'll come back,
master
okay?
scolders. Look at him. How brilliant student he is. Everyone watch him. Nothing to worry. You can also improve. Now the competition is about to come. Okay, sir. Within 10 days practice, you can become very sharp. What? Sharp? Yes, sir. If it is slipped means... What do you mean? No, sir. While running, if it is slipped means... Yes, it will slip, man. Only for you it will happen. If you jump properly means why you get
ask him
slipped?
to teach us, Ra.
Hey, hey, you ask him, man.
Ask do.
Hey, what? Nothing, sir. He is saying that every day you are asking us to jump. But not even a day you jumped and shown us. So he is asking today you to jump. Hey, this is his doubt or your doubt? Sir, he only asked. Only you will have this type of doubt. Then you show us, sir. Jumping is not a big deal, you know.
okay.
You know, I am the PT master. I know everything. My knee slipped a little bit. That's why I'm in treatment. Sir, last week also you said the same reason. Hey, that is right leg. But you lifted the left leg. Leave it, man. Left leg or right leg. First you listen to me. Tomorrow morning at sharp 5 a.m. everybody should assemble here. Sir, morning 5 a.m. Yeah. Are you going to put newspaper? Hey, instead of selling that you came here to study, no. That's why you are behaving foolishly. Look here, what you have to do now is 10 rounds punishment. Do that and then go home. He went. Today also we escaped. As per PT Master's instruction, today night we have to drink 10 rounds.
Sure.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Just like every guys, I also fall in love. On that day, I saw that girl for the first time.
Why you are behaving so silly?
Hey,
If you
what
don't
the
have
hell
money,
you are
you
talking,
have to
man?
say that
I
will
told you,
not
right?
cancel. Hey buddy, why are you looking down? Hey!
Take it, man.
Why is he behaving abnormally? What is happening?
Hey,
who is
he's
it?
taken the chain.
He took the
Follow
chain.
him,
You run and catch him
please.
because I can't run.
Hey.
He has
Hey,
snatched
go and
my
catch him.
friend out
I
of
will look after
chain.
them.
Ayyo.
Oh my baby, how many sovereign it was?
10 sovereigns.
What, 10? Look lady, you don't worry. He went there, he will definitely come with the chain. You should not cry, please, please don't cry. Baby, you too don't cry. Come, we will have ice
Hey,
cream.
Come, let's
Come,
have an
just
ice
20
cream.
rupees. Hey, small baby,
Hey.
don't worry about your gel. Come, we
Hey,
will have ice
where
cream.
are you dragging
Excuse
me now?
I lost my ice cream. Then he will come.
Hey! Just stop! Oh shit! Where the hell he has gone? Where he would have gone? He just came by this way. Hey, you bloody! Where is the chain?
Hey, what are you doing? I have only this shirt. Don't tear it, you idiot. Take your hands off, man.
Hey, you made me to run couple of streets, you know?
Why were you searching for me all these streets? I was only searching for you. Do you know that?
You're searching me?
Uh-uh.
Why, what happened?
Why?
Huh?
Here, hold this covering chain.
Covering chain?
Then, gold chain, Go and give it to her. If there's a problem for a girl, you guys will run to help her. Boss, small request. After running in search of you, my legs are very tired now.
For that?
I have to have drinks now. Can you give me 100 rupees, boss? Don't think too much, boss. They will close the shop. If you give it quickly, I'll go.
I just have only 50 bucks.
It's fine, boss. 50 rupees is enough for me. I will manage the rest. Don't be childish for this 50 rupees. Hey,
What?
no matter how many times you look into it, the covering will not turn into gold. Go and correct the girl. Go.
Hey, you just go.
I know that. You go, buddy. Hey, Otto.
Hi, why did you came here?
I came for you only.
I came in search of you.
Why did you came in search of me?
Your heart is me only.
How you came?
By walk.
What happened? If you don't like, I'll go now.
Hey, I didn't mean like that. I would like to talk to you about all my wishes now.
What do you want to talk?
Shall I say now?
Tell me, man, why you're ashamed of me? Tell me.
It's actually nothing. I don't know how to speak poetic. But actually, I feel like you are an angel.
Really?
So your couple of eyes, it's looking like a plum fruit, you know.
Plum. Am I so much fair? Yesterday I didn't even boost.
And your beautiful nose,
Huh?
it's like Kerala cashew nuts, you know.
What? My nose resembling cashew nut. What happened to you, dear? Hey,
And the beautiful cheeks, you know. It's while thinking about it, I'm flying so light, you know.
your speech is going in the wrong way. What happened, buddy?
And this beautiful lips, you know. While saying this, it is looking like the pulp portion of an
What?
orange fruit.
My lips resembling an orange fruit.
And this fantastic, beautiful neck.
Huh? Hey, take your hand, man.
Hey, buddy, are you?
I know where you will keep your hand next time. You? How can you behave like this to a man?
Hey, dude.
How can you
sorry,
behave like
dude.
this with a boy? Look, instead of me, if a girl comes, means what will happen? Even I'm sharing bed with you. Now, how can I trust you?
Hey, I'm sorry,
There
dude.
should be a limit of dreaming. This is ridiculous.
Hey, dude. I thrown all these words on him. Shit. First of all, I need to check this couple of eyes immediately.
Tell me, Madhi,
Daddy, this is Bundi here.
what happened? You're talking in Madhi's phone?
No, Dad, I want to convey you important things.
Is it?
called.
Oh. What is it? Is there any problem there?
Nothing like that, Dad. Actually, we were all practicing, but by that time he.
What?
Trying to reach is currently switched off.
It's coming switch off.
Trying to reach is currently switched off.
It's coming switched off. What did he want to tell? He will just like that not call.
Sir, these type of accidents in sports are very usual. Don't bother about that. We took treatment from the biggest
Hey,
doctor. in
can
the
you be
city.
quiet?
He said he will
What
get
the
soon
hell?
very faster.
Always blumbing.
Actually, he was in a good form. At this time, this incident is very bad. If this accident didn't happen, means I can assure you,
What the hell
he
is
would have
happening
been the
here?
next champion. And I will drink.
Sir, is this the only competition? My son will win in competitions which are even bigger than this. It's just that he will not be able to participate in this competition. After participating, he did not lose it, no?
You're right.
My son can win any time, sir. I have imparted that confidence and brought him up.
Both were triggered him like this. That's why he broke his leg.
Sir, now the study holidays in college right now. Why can't you take him along with you to home? Because the atmosphere of your home, your affection, there will be a chance of getting well very faster. Madhi, don't unnecessarily think about competition. Definitely you will win in the next competition. I will make you win. It's my word.
Thank you, Master.
You go to your home too. Sir, please take care of him.
Okay.
Bundi, be with him and take care of him. Yeah,
Yeah.
then I'm leaving, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Bye.
Okay, Master.
Okay.
Hey, look at me. If we go home means daily we can eat non-veg and enjoy ourselves. Don't spoil everything by saying something. Daddy, shall we make a move?
Okay.
Listen,
Yes,
can you go to the meat shop and get some mutton?
I have told her in the morning itself. You go and get that container for me.
Good morning, Daddy. Shall we go?
Hey, what is this?
If we buy blood base, there will be leakage in bag. That's why I took bucket.
So big.
If mutton's head available means we can bring that too in this bucket. Yeah.
Hey, come here.
What, Daddy?
We are buying this for medicine, not for eating. Give me the bag. I'll go myself.
Please take your hand, Daddy. There will be lot of rush. How can you manage yourself?
Oh,
Come, already
can't
we are
manage
running
this
out of
time.
time.
Okay.
Listen, send
Yes?
some vegetables and bamboo leaves
Okay,
also.
I'll send across.
Ah, okay.
Just go home before the heat turns on.
Ah, okay.
Rest of the work we'll take care tomorrow.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
sir. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, sir? I was coming to your house to meet you. I met you here.
What is the matter?
Nothing big. From Madurai Agricultural College, 3 girls are coming to our village to learn
Ah.
about farming. They would require an accommodation, sir, proper accommodation. If you can do it, it'll be nice, sir.
The students who are coming to learn agriculture, which I like, they will not have a place. The students can stay at my home itself.
That's a great help, sir.
You are really
Let
welcome.
me leave, sir.
Please send them.
I'll give
take
your address
care.
and send them to
Yeah,
your house,
surely.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Mom,
What do you want?
I forgot to take my towel. Can you please?
So careless. Only after going to the bathroom she will ask for towel and other things. Hey, Bundi,
Mom,
slowly. Why are you coming in such a rush?
because of soup.
He is another character. Here, soup is ready. Go and give it to Madhi. Hey, soup is hot. Be careful
Mom,
while carrying.
come, please.
Wait, I'm coming.
What a smell. Should I eat? Buddy, soup is ready. Take it, dear.
Wow.
This is for you and this is
Is
for
it?
me.
Smelling like a
What
dog.
a smell it is.
Hey, Madhi, how are you?
Hey, hi.
It is yummy.
this soup?
Yummy,
Yeah, yeah.
yummy.
Please have it, have it.
nice.
Why you are drinking my soup
Hey,
without
dude.
any
Hey, it's okay.
I want one soup, yeah.
Okay, get him a soup immediately.
Hey,
Go, go.
you just bring, man.
It's very
Let's
less than.
go, man. What do you think?
Yeah, yeah.
It's very
Go.
nice.
He will slap you. Just get him, okay?
Okay.
Go, man.
Okay, take your hand.
Just
Okay,
bring, go.
Go and get.
What a looking. Who is this idiot, dude?
He's my college mate. What to do?
Why is he speaking like
He
this?
is a stupid
What
guy.
you are, dude?
Oh my god, one guy is extra.
Hey, where you are going?
No, one person is extra, so it won't enough for me.
Why? It's for me. You,
Hello,
yeah.
brother. It's for me. Hello. Why are you giving to him? Then you don't want me to drink.
Drink, man. That is your choice.
Hello. Why are you yelling at me?
What the hell are you talking, man?
Nothing.
Then shut up and go. Go, yeah.
Look at
He
him.
will kill you. Just get out.
Still you stand here?
Go. Yeah,
Hey,
it's okay, no problem.
I say
Yeah,
you
know that,
go.
right? Yeah. Is it
What are you looking
super?
at?
Taste is good. Yeah.
Then, buddy.
Dear, have this. I kept alone. Otherwise, this will also exhaust it. Have it.
According to me, they won't come right now. I think they will finish off the soup. If I go there, they will beat me. Why? Why it's happening to me? I only went to the shop and bought the mutton. Okay, you guys drink the soup. But if anyone interrupt me while eating my mutton lunch, I won't spare you guys.
When my life was going on a right track, these 4 bad guys entered my life at that time. For the mistakes they have committed in their young age, they have gone to the reformed school and they were back just now. Apart from these 4 guys, the rest of the world is seeing them as a bad guy only. They are just living as whatever they are wishing, that's it. All their targets of their life is just to get the money from others and also only the girls.
Hey dear,
Huh?
did you remember your parents?
Why are you asking this question suddenly?
Just to know, yeah.
When I was in Dogs on Roadside, I was remember her.
Yeah, it's really true. They had fun in night and we are begging now in the morning, eh? Today the world is seeing us very badly. We don't want to compare those with dogs. And that is wrong also. Those who treated us badly, they won't want to be happy. We are the king for ourselves, okay? Come, let's go.
Hey, come here.
Look at this.
Hey, Karp. What is this? You know who is this person?
I don't know him. He doesn't belong to this place.
Hey, Koikate.
What?
Do you know who is he?
What would he know? He's a useless fella.
Uncle, after showing seconds of cinema, I came on this way. At that time, no one was here. After then only it was happened.
That means this is a police case. We'll go to the station and inform them about it.
Sir? Sir?
Who are you all?
Can I meet Mr. Durepandi?
He's not at home. Who are you all?
We are coming from Madurai Agriculture College.
Oh, you're those people, is it? He said you will be coming early in the morning.
Oh.
Why did you get so late?
Actually, we got the bus late.
He was waiting for you all this while. He left just now on some emergency
Oh my
work.
God.
That's okay. Please come inside. Come in. Come inside. Come inside. Hey, Deepu! Deepu! Come outside.
Yes, Mom, coming. What, Mom?
Hey, Dad told no. Those people have come.
Hi.
Take them to the room upstairs.
Please come.
Freshen up and come soon. Let's eat.
Okay, Auntie.
Mom, who are they, Mom?
Some college girls. They are going to stay in a house for a week. You also finish your bath and come. Let's eat.
Okay, Mom, okay. Oh, they are college girls. Let me watch later. Who are these girls? Looking so good. Why she's alone and out of focus all these time? Who is she? Dude, why the hell unnecessarily you brought me to this paddy field?
This is the better place in this village. Or do you want me to take you to space? In a garden.
In a garden?
If there is a flower means,
Okay.
in search for that, the bee will fly and come and sit on the flower and drink all the honey of that flower. Then only it will be a meaningful life for the both flower and the bee.
Okay, in this, who is the flower? And who is the bee? Bee which will be looking in black.
No man, already I am looking fair only, no?
That's okay. Where is the flower?
Flower? It won't come automatically. It will come only after my singing. Oh my flower,
Oh, my
where
God.
are you? I am here waiting for you. Oh my flower. He will get attacked if he sees the second flower. He started smiling. Okay, let me also smile along with him. Why, buddy? Hey, what happened? Why you fell down? I think now he starts singing.
Hey, Dorapadi, did you know who has died?
I inquired about it. He is Onapati Muthu's son, Sharavanan.
Why did he came here and died?
He is a drunkard, yeah. 3 days before he went away from his house, got drunk somewhere and came here and died. He is a useless fellow. And you are talking about...
We cannot leave this asset because they are coming before temple and suiciding themselves. Before 2 years a person came and suicided himself. But we didn't care about it. But this time we want to care it, no. We want to know about this, uncle.
Hey, my dear, what should we do about it now?
We didn't do anything for our goddesses in the temple now. If we didn't do any puja, we don't know what will happen. Come, let us all go and pray the god, huh? What, Dorapadi? What do you say?
Yeah, I also want to pray to God only. But if we only talk, then what is the use? These Chinnamanur people are not agreeing to it. Whatever right we have in this temple, they also have the same right. But they have old memories in their mind. And they are not allowing us to do any work. Hey, whatever is possible, do it. This is not going to happen at all.
Why not possible?
Cool.
Why will not be possible? That happened because some stupid fellows did it. Would they be thinking about it still? Huh? That town and our town has been close. Marriage. My daughter is married in the town. His daughter is also married and living in the same town, you know. Why say all that? Your wife belongs to the same town, no? There are some elders in the town, no? We will discuss and decide. They will not come here only for the weddings. They will also come to our temple. If you all say yes, then I'll take care of the rest, you see.
But
Dude.
Ooh! Hey, you stupid fools! Get in! Don't disturb us.
Don't shout too much. You are also...
That town's president is my son-in-law. You know that, no?
Oh, okay, Dorapadi. What is your opinion?
If everyone wants this, then I also agree to this. Come on, let's see what happens. Karupa, you just go and do the needful
Okay,
things.
now, is everybody happy?
Okay,
Okay,
we'll
okay.
see. We'll see what happens.
Let's all go. Come. We have a lot of work to
She
do.
will
Come.
care for us.
Go. See that old man's beard and mustache looking like a dense forest. It's very tasteless discussion.
In that case, shall I tell them to add
Wow,
little more
what a
salt?
comedy. Hey,
Just
take your
shut
hand
your
from
mouth.
here.
Come
I will get
inside.
angry.
I'll beat you.
Hey,
man.
no.
Wait, come. Hi. 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 What is this? She is not looking at me. Okay, let me start my performance. Hi. Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Okay. Shall I sit down here? Shall I here? Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Excuse me, are you drawing now?
No, just playing with colors.
Is that so? That's cool, really awesome. But where it is? Are you doing it alone?
What?
Not that. Actually, don't you remember me?
What? Do I look like an unsubstantial species?
Not like that. Actually, once upon a time, your neck, your chain, a thief, you and me, both alone.
I didn't get you.
Actually, what I'm coming to say.
Yeah, just coming. You were saying something, right?
Nothing. You just go.
It's It's okay, you can tell me.
No, just leave it. Nothing, you carry on. Tell me frankly, don't you remember me?
No, seriously, I don't remember you.
Then it's okay. You go, carry on.
Then okay, I'm going.
Yeah, okay, go. Actually forgot everything or is she acting?
Hey, what happened to you? Why are you like that?
How much they staying here, yeah? Jail was better than it.
Hey, they just throwed away us now. We want to do something better than that. That means crime was not enough.
Hey dude, more than murder?
Hey, you just don't feel about anything. We will enjoy. Our enjoyment is for ourselves. Nobody can enter in there.
Everything is fine. But where and how?
Hey dude, in that bus stand, I saw a poster in the bus. Near Thani, in some temple, there's a festival going to happen. There'll be a lot of rush there. If we go, we can have a lot of fun. What do you say?
What is that name of village?
Near Thani, Alinagar.
Alinagar.
Hey, buddy. Where are you, man? From the morning I didn't see you. He's standing there. Why is he squeezing the rose? She is also looking. Oh. They will attract me smoothly. Okay, then this is the way of attracting a girl. I will come right now. Hi, plum cake?
What?
Hey, please stop.
Rude lady? Crack fellow.
Hey,
What?
loud,
What do you want?
loud.
What room is this?
Bathroom. Why?
Get out.
Okay.
Hey, old man. It seems you have joined hands with those guys. You guys will behave like a family and pray together in the temple. It seems you have forgotten the fight that happened 10 years back, huh? I lost my father in that fight only. You may forget that, but I will never forget that.
Hey, Marudu, they are not the reason for your father's death. Why don't you understand?
Hey, you old guy, you will change the words according to the situation. You thought I'll come to the temple, put the sandal paste and ring the bell, huh? I came here to tell that in the festival there will be a dead body. I will show you that time.
Look at that guy behaving idiotically like his father.
Madhi? Hey, Madhi.
What, mom?
Hey, Madhi, these girls, they want some print, it seems. Can you go and get it for them?
No, Uncle.
Okay.
We only know what to take. So, we only have to go.
Oh, is it? Then, okay, you.
Mom, I have got lot of jobs. Me and Bundi is going out for an important job, you know.
Oh, that Bundi, is it?
Exactly.
He doesn't even brush his teeth properly in the morning.
Oh.
You're talking about.
Mom.
Hey, I want to know what important meeting do you have? Huh? You're
Mom.
jobless and simply sitting at home. Huh? Go and help those girls. Some print. Help him get that, no? He will help
Okay,
you.
mom.
Don't worry.
Okay. Hello, girls. In this vehicle, we can't go triples, okay?
What shall we do now?
Only doubles. So, anyone can accompany me.
Hey, you go. Hey, please, dude. You just go. Please.
Hello, I'm getting late. Anyone just come immediately.
Hey, just go. Just go. Please go. I'm saying you. Just go.
okay.
Let me go. Okay. What are you doing? You need love.
Where?
See it all.
Where? Hey,
Hey,
where?
if there's a lover behind you, you will forget everything, huh? Move the bike.
Okay. Sorry.
Look at his silly glasses.
Hey, is it okay?
Go. You go there. Hey, who are you? What you guys doing in my land? Huh?
Hey, you go and ask the landowner.
This is my land. Whom do you want me to ask?
Is it enough?
What happened? Your legs are paining, huh? Okay. Keep a stone and come.
Hey, who are you? Why are you measuring my land?
Hey, from today onwards, it's not your land. It is my brother's land. Get lost.
Hey! Why are you doing rowdyism like this? Do you think there is no one to question you?
What do you think about me? Who will come and ask me? Go and bring with you anyone. Hey, idiot. Just go away.
Get me the tea fast.
Hey, Madhi. In Ramaswamy land, your father was fighting there, and what are you doing here?
What is the problem?
I think some land problem.
Hey, you know whom you're talking to?
I'm warning you. Just take your people and go away.
That you cannot say it. The documents want to say.
What documents? How many fake documents you would have made? How many jobs you would have taken away? I know that very well. I won't respect you anymore. Just go away from here.
I won't go. What will you do?
Hey, you won't be here anymore.
We will see that.
Hey! Hey! Do not leave it! Hey!
Come on!
I'm gonna kill him now. He'll definitely kill you. Idiot, how dare you can do like this? Hey, come on.
Leave me, I say. Hey, I want to kill him. Today I will kill him.
I will kill you now.
Come on, hey.
Hey, leave me, guys.
Leave me.
Leave me. Come on, I'll kick you.
Come here. I won't leave you.
Come on, let me see. How the hell you can do like this? I'll definitely kill you. How dare you can touch my dad? So my dad, for being straightforward, he has been awarded all these problems. For beating the guy who tried to kill my father was angry on me too. After that incident.
Buddy, don't argue with him.
What happened? Why are you looking so upset?
Hey, your son does not listen to me at all.
Hey, Madhi, what happened?
No, Mom, how dare he
Hey.
can...
There will be a lot of problems here. So you'll resort to violence in all problems? then you have to spend your whole life running for court and cases. Alright, how did you get into this habit of hitting? What do you think? We don't know how to fight? Huh? I was just inquiring. Just before that, you started hitting?
Dad, how dare he can push you down? How come I can be silent after seeing that?
Hey, they're all small people. That is their profession. But what is your job? To study. You should not get into trouble like this, so that's why I made you study outside. Hey, if you get into any problem because of them, na, I will not be able to bear it.
Mom, please tell him, Mom. I haven't done anything wrong. Mom, please
what do
trust
you
me.
Your
me
leg
to
is
tell
healed,
you?
na? You go to college immediately. Don't stay here.
Mom, please tell him.
Hey,
I haven't done
yesterday
anything
night,
wrong.
where did you
Yesterday
go?
night,
Please
actually,
try.
we were.
Mom,
Yeah,
please try to
he's
understand
talking
my
there.
situation. It's not my.
Daddy, college girls are coming.
Yeah, come.
Uncle, actually our work got finished.
Okay.
Next week our college is starting.
Okay.
So we are planning to leave.
What?
Why, Ma? Why do you want to leave so soon?
Huh,
Listen,
why?
we are going to have a festival in 2 days. Let them stay back and watch the celebrations.
Yeah, that's right. You stay here and see the festival and then leave, no?
You girls are okay?
Okay, Dad. So we all will stay here and enjoy the festival. Then only we'll go back. Just a listen. I couldn't touch her.
Who the hell you are?
Where are you going? Stay here.
Leave me, bloody! Get us from here! Get us from here!
No, I want you.
Stay!
I want to leave you.
Leave me!
Hey, hey,
Leave me, yaar!
come here. Hey, hey.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
What happened, dude? Why you two like this?
I didn't.
Dude, she was died.
Oh my God. Oh.
Pungudi? Pungudi?
Oh.
Hey, somebody came down.
Yeah.
She is not opening the door. See what happened to
come,
Pungudi?
let's go.
She is not coming out.
Hey,
Break
what
the
will
door.
we do now?
I don't know.
Hey, Pungudi, can you hear us, Pungudi?
Hey,
Hey, Pungudi,
What can I do?
what happened to you? Come and
please.
open the door.
Hey, open.
hey, what is that? Hey,
Pungudi,
Come on, I'm not doing anything.
Pungudi,
Hey, here's what you're doing, yeah. Please,
what
help me.
happened to you? Pungudi,
Oh my god.
somebody
Take
come
it,
fast.
guys.
Look at Pungudi, she's not talking. Pungudi.
Where is he?
They have taken him away.
Why did you leave him?
They are all tied up inside the shed.
We have tied him. See what I do.
Hey, don't spare him.
Don't leave him. Hit him.
Break his leg.
Did you get any information?
Don't
where
leave
he
this guy.
got from? What is his name?
Hey,
We don't want to care about him. Don't want leave to him. kill him
Not leave
because
this
he
guy.
touched our girl.
Hey, stop it.
hey.
Kolkata. Just
Huh?
see what is it.
Uncle, he was died.
What? He died.
We are praying to God after a long time, and now this happened. Oh my God, what to do?
Oh, cheh. Kolkata. Just call Inspector Madesh.
Hello? Brother Madesh?
What, uncle?
Come.
What happened?
This guy, we don't know where is he from. He tried to misbehave with our girl and that girl died. And in a fit of that anger, everybody beat him to death. In our festival, a lot of people from outside will come. If they get to know about this, this will become a big problem. That's why I called you.
Don't worry, uncle. If I'm not wearing a uniform, I would have done the same thing. You don't have to worry about this thing at all. I'll take care. All of you better leave. I'm telling you, leave. I'll take care. Hello.
Actually, he was searching for his friend's dead body who has been buried by the people of this village. He felt wrongly that the reason for his friend's death is my dad, and it's went really deep in his heart. Having a revenge thought in his heart, he was searching for his friend's dead body all over the forest. Slow and steadily, all his activities has gone to a psycho manner.
Babu! Babu! Where are you?
Hey, buddy! They are leaving.
Yeah.
Did you like the celebration in
Yeah,
our
it's
town?
very good idea. It was very nice.
Dude, they're well-studying students, it seems. That's the reason they are going so soon. Hey, dude, shall we also accompany them right now?
Buddy,
Huh?
only a man can understand another man's feeling. Come, we'll go. Hey, your room is that side. Go that side.
Call once you reach home.
Yeah, make a way, yeah, make a way, yeah,
Bring your parents also when you come next time. Huh?
Don't feel like
All
this.
of you go home and then give me a call. Huh? Take care of yourself. Study well. You've taken all your things, right? You've not left anything now? Hey, what is this? Where are you both going now?
Mom, that we already mentioned, after the festival we all will leave. We can't send girls alone,
Crazy
right?
fellows. Look at them.
Okay, Mom. Where is our dad?
Your
He's
father
missing.
has gone out on some important work.
Oh.
You go carefully and come back. I'll ask him to call you when he comes.
All right,
Okay, Mom.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Give me your bag.
No need. You first go.
Hey, I thought of helping
Bye.
you. At least
Take
give
care, all
me your
of you.
kerchief. I will hold it. Huh? Hello.
Hello.
I'm asking you.
What is the reason for this look? Okay, Mom. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, you go inside. Okay.
Hey, buddy, you sit with the driver. I'll sit in the back seat.
Hey,
Huh?
I know the reason why you are going to sit in the backside, okay?
Came to know, no? Then silently sit.
Hey,
Huh?
just sit silently and don't make any trouble, okay?
Okay, I know that. You come. Mr. Driver, put some romantic song. My plum cake should love me.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. If you wear black earrings, it'll be good, right?
Hey, am I a lady to wear earrings?
You'll be looking good in black earrings.
Did you
Yeah.
notice that?
Yeah,
It'll be
we
good,
saw.
you know.
Ah, you are going in that way. What is he doing? Look at that. He's flowing, hair is flowing. Even I have to do that.
Ah, shit. The hell is that? Where is the shit coming from?
to feel that. Oh my god.
Driver, can you please get down this window? I can't even breathe now.
What is this? If he blows means good smell. If I blows means bad smell.
Please make
Both
it
are
fast. I
brushing
can't
or taking
breathe.
The same pressure.
Ugh.
Then how come bad smell for me?
You have to brush daily, dude.
Bloody, what the hell
Okay,
he's
leave
having in
it.
the
Don't
mouth?
act too much. If you blow means we can find which smell you have. Bro, play some good songs.
Yeah, here only. Please stop me.
Be careful. Get down.
Hey, see there how he is sleeping, huh?
Are you leaving now?
Okay, I'm going.
Is it all over?
That's it.
That's fine. Okay.
Yeah, actually, I want to ask you something.
Yeah, ask me, please.
Sorry?
You just ask anything to me.
When are you going to return my chain?
What? That covering chain?
Yeah, that's covering only. But my mom had gifted me that.
Oh, okay. Well, meeting you for the next time, I'll get it sure. Huh?
Okay.
After 2 days search, finally, we discovered the place where his friend got buried.
Hey dear, you will be always with me, no? Won't leave me alone, huh? See, you are always with me. That gives me a lot of strength also. Not only that, you are everything for me. My dear, nothing happened to you. Have a puff. Take it, huh? You are not here, no? I'm sorry. Everything will be alright. You just don't worry. I won't leave anybody who touched you. I will kill all them. Firstly, the president of that village. And then his daughter. He's having a son also. I won't leave anybody. I will finish them. Have it, bro. I'm also same like you. I want to ask you, why are you trying to kill that Dorapandi, yeah? The opponent for me is also opponent for you. Then we are friends. After killing Dorapandi, you think that your son will leave you? We want to kill the complete family. For that I will help you. I'm not saying just for a joke. From now itself we are friends. What are you thinking about me? That I am not an idiot like you. I am Karna. I won't leave anyone. I can look after this. What you said? His son will command against me, huh? I will kill him also. I had only one friend. But today he is not alive at all. You just stay away. Dorapandi, there is a man coming to kill you.
What happened, Madi? What happened here?
Nothing much, Dad. Actually, Master has got attacked by someone. Hey,
What?
why did you told Dad?
I didn't tell him.
I know. Why the hell
Hey,
you told, man?
really, I
Come
didn't
outside.
tell him.
I'll kick you.
Just lie down. What happened, sir?
I thought him as my student, sir, but I didn't expect this thing will happen, sir.
You're such a nice person. How will you have enemies?
He is not my enemy, sir. He is enemy of your son, Madi.
Huh? What are you saying, sir? My son, Madi.
Hey, who is that? Hey, I'm asking you only. Don't you hear me? Are you deaf? Huh? Hey, turn this head. Show me your face. Don't you hear me? Why can't you turn? Hey, who are you?
Where is Madi?
Hey, boys, come here. Come here. Some stranger is here. Hey, Yes, sir. He targeted your son, Madi. That's why he came there.
Sir, who is the enemy of my son? That too to the extent of stabbing.
I don't know, sir. I didn't watch him properly, sir. But one thing I can tell you, he's not a student. You just tell Madi to be careful, sir.
Hey, why the hell you told about this to Dad?
Hey, who told him? I think that warden would have been informed. Then why are you scolding me and also coming to beat me? Ask your father who called him. Unnecessarily.
Hey.
Why you're also staring?
Hey, Madi.
Dad?
Do you have any problems with somebody here?
No, Dad, not like that. What happened, Dad?
Just pack up your bags and come home.
Why, Dad? All of a sudden you want me to come there now?
What else do you want now? The person who stabbed Master is looking for you now. Your life is more important for me.
Dad, I don't have any problem with anyone here in this place. Then why?
Hey, we can win over people who hit directly, but people who backstab, we cannot win them. Intelligence is more important than bravery. We'll file a police complaint. Till we know who is it, you stay at home.
Now only my legs got cured. At any cost I have to win in the upcoming sports championship. Dad, you don't worry about me at all. I'll be careful, Dad.
It's not that, Madi.
Dad, whatever you said is right. But for particularly me, there is no enemy in this place. Mistakenly they would have told me for someone else, right? Dad, you don't worry, please. No one can harm me at any situation. You don't worry about that, Dad.
Why all nurses are missing? I think they are watching movie in operation theatre. What happened to him? Hey, is Master dead or what? Nothing. So he's dreaming, I think. Already he came to bite my lips when he was dreaming. Master is also fair enough. If you do some mischief with the master, means they will terminate us. Hey, buddy. Hey, what are you doing?
Dude,
Huh?
I was just thinking, who is the enemy for me who is willing to kill me at present?
Hey, man, forget about that old master's speeches. Do you think that you are a big rowdy to someone kill you? I'm asking you. Hey,
No, dude. He clearly mentioned as Madi.
you are the only Madi in the city. There is 4 in history department and 2 in English department. Like so many Madis aren't there in our college. Unnecessarily don't get confused
Okay.
in this matter.
Okay.
Huh? What? Look at me. Everything will be alright. Be relaxed and peaceful. See, your phone is ringing. Attend it. I don't know what is his condition right now.
Oh? What agriculture? You're just thinking about me now? It's been 1 week you vacated from my town. Okay. At least you remembered me now.
Hello. Actually, I didn't call you,
Huh?
okay? Actually, I called to Madhumati. Wrongly, you got the line. Sorry.
Anyhow, you call me, right? Then when shall we meet?
What meeting? First, you come and return my pen drive, okay? You got it?
Pen drive? I just can't remember. I would have got that.
Oh, really? Then okay. Leave it.
Huh? It's okay, it's okay. I was having that. I'll just come and give it to you. Okay, if you're free means we'll go to a coffee shop. We'll have a coffee and we'll have a chat.
What? Coffee shop?
Yeah.
This coffee shop, theatre, beach, park, there, here. I won't come anywhere, okay? My grandma also not at home now. Within half an hour, you have to return my pen drive soon.
Your grandma is not there. I'll be there in next 5 minutes, okay?
Let me see how this man bringing that pen drive.
Okay, buddy. Let me start walking.
What, dude? Where are you
No,
going?
If I start walking from now only, I can reach the hostel in an hour. Anyhow, you are going to leave me.
Hey, brilliant, dude. You are. Okay, bye.
Hey,
Okay.
take care, man.
Okay,
If
okay.
anything happens to you, means I have to answer your father.
Hi, darling. I reached. Hey. La 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 la. La la la. La la la. La la la. Hi, agriculture.
Where is my pen drive?
Pen drive. Pen drive.
Where is my pen drive?
She is asking me really. Pen drive. It's there in the home actually. Sorry.
Why don't you tell me that over the phone? Why you come here?
No, dear. You told that grandma is not here. So I'll just come and look at you and talk to you.
It's alright. Now you leave.
What, dear, you are? I came all the way to see you and you are on coffee, on milk, or a tea at least. Water, please, little bit.
Wait here.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Are you dreaming?
Oh my god, she found it finally.
Take this.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Okay, my grandma is going to come now.
Oi,
You just
what?
leave
All
now,
of a
okay?
sudden you are asking me, hey, what is...
I
Hey,
told you, no, grandma is gonna come now.
hey, at least for next 5 minutes, please.
Move.
Do you want me to leave now? Okay. God. What is the reason of this look?
You nut.
What?
Can't you understand why I called you here? Really, you don't understand?
Hey!
Hey, you. Look what he's doing.
Hey, come on,
he's
dude.
Smiling. I think he's very happy. Hey, how come you be so happy? If you are in dreams, means immediately you start singing. Wait. One day I will also sing and I will dance with all Hollywood heroines.
Hey, come on, dude.
Wait. Hey, no. Don't do that. I am your boyfriend, not girlfriend. Hey, no. I told you, a phone is ringing, man. Take the phone.
Hey, it's okay,
What? No,
dude.
I have problem. I am a chronic bachelor here. You're talking. You attend the phone.
Bundi and Madhi, take the phone.
Hey, Dad is calling.
Okay.
Dad, what happened? Tell me.
It's me, your mom.
What happened, Mom? Why are you crying?
Your sister is missing
happened?
from yesterday morning.
What, Mom, you're
She
saying?
went to computer class yesterday. She's not
Hey,
yet
what
come
happened, man?
home. She said she
Ish.
will come home on time. But she has not yet come back.
Mom, please don't cry.
Daddy has gone in search of Deepa. I'm so scared of what happened to her. You come home soon.
Okay, Mom. I'll be there immediately. Mom!
Madhi.
What happened, Mom? Dad?
Yesterday morning she said that she's going for the coaching class. She still has not yet come.
Did you investigate it in the institute?
Yeah, I did that. They said that she came and went as usual. I don't know what to do now.
Okay, just come with me, Dad. We'll go and search one more time.
Okay.
Brother, please get me a water bottle and a small bun. Dad, please have some
I
food.
don't want.
Or at least water,
I don't
please.
want.
Come on, Dad, please. Dad? What happened, Dad? What happened? Please tell me, Dad. Dad, please take it easy. It's okay.
I'm okay. Why did you stop the bike here?
It's almost late evening, Dad, and also it is gonna rain. So I know this lodge for a long time. We'll stay tonight and we'll start tomorrow in the morning. Come on, Dad. Please sit. Dad, water.
I don't want.
Dad, a little bit,
I
Dad.
don't want.
Dad, I'll go and get something to eat, Dad. You please be here for some time.
You're going alone? I'll also
No,
come
Dad.
along.
The hotel is nearby only. I'll take care of it.
Wait.
You don't worry.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Dad,
take
it's
it.
okay. I have got
keep
money.
Keep it, I say.
It's okay. Okay, Dad. I'll be back soon.
Come quickly, huh?
Okay, Dad. Sure.
Please take care
you
of
please be
yourself,
safe,
huh?
okay? Dad? Dad? Dad?
The number you are trying to reach is currently switched off. Please try again later.
Sir, did you saw my dad here?
No, I didn't see him.
Auntie, please don't worry. She'll be all right.
Your daughter's body condition is very, very weak. She has been given lots and lots of drugs. Not only that, for the last 2-3 days, she has been sexually tortured.
What?
She's not able to recover from that. That is why she's mentally affected.
Doctor, is there any other treatment for my sister to get cured? Else, do we need to take her to a very big hospital for further treatment, sir?
No. We have the right treatment for this kind of thing. Our treatment is enough.
Open your mouth. Please eat. Just little bit. Eat. Deepa, please eat little bit at least. You like me feeding you, no? Eat, Deepa.
Is this the way to eat? After going to hostel, you are not eating properly at all.
No, Dad.
Eat properly.
Dad.
Daddy, for me?
I not give you.
What is this? Hey, you're grown up and you're still expecting him to feed? Allow him to eat. You eat.
Hey, you keep quiet. Even if they have grown up, they are kids for me only. You know something? You are jealous. Just keep quiet.
Why did this happen to my child?
Dad? Dad.
Please don't cry, Mati.
Actually, I just can't believe my dad's death, you know. My home was like a temple once. Now, it's like a graveyard. I made a mistake. On that day, I shouldn't left him alone in that. I should have taken him with me. If I would have taken him with me, today, my dad would have been alive. It's me. I've done a blunder mistake. It's me. It's me. It's me. It's me.
Please, don't cry, Madhi. Only the idiots will behave like this. You must find out who harmed your family like this. You have to be.
You know what? Today my dad told me not to get involved in any problems. But some problem is in search of me, I believe. I won't leave him. I'll definitely kill him. But till that moment, you have to take care of my mom and sister, Prabha.
Madhi, you don't need to tell me all this.
I heard about your dad.
Yes, master.
I didn't expect these things. It's horrible, Madhi. God, he's a good man. Why
Yes,
this
master.
happened to him? Did you finish all rituals?
Yes, master. Everything is over. That's what, master. I came here to investigate about it. Master, I need a favor. On that day in the hostel, can you tell me that what happened exactly? Yes, master. If in case if you get any information about that guy, could you please let me know
sure.
immediately?
See, your father is not there. You have to take care of your mom.
Uncle, do you know my dad has any enemies till date?
I know your father for many, many years.
Okay.
From childhood, we've been doing everything together. If there is a problem in this town, he'll be the first person to go and meet the parties and make the compromise, you know. He is not a troublemonger. So I'm confused. I don't think there is anybody to... Before some years, in our town festival, we had a fight with our next village. One of my relatives, Raju, died. Raju's death were blamed on your father, and they were all wanting justice for it. From that day onwards, both the towns became enemies. Now we have come together and conduct a town festival. That was our decision. In fact, we were collecting money for it. But this fellow Marudu, dead Raju's son, he threatened us saying that you cannot conduct festival. And he was telling it to everybody. Probably he could have...
Actually, uncle, could you please think, is there somebody...
You see, one day what we did now, you fought with a silly fellow in the farm. Do you remember that now? He could have done something like that. But I'm still very confused.
Bro, do you know that real estate broker Shankli's house?
Oh, he cheated you too.
Cheater? No, we have to see him for another reason. Where is it?
To see him, you have to go to the Madurai jail.
Madurai jail?
Yeah, he threw stones at the minister's house. Won't they put him in jail? It happened a month before.
1 month. According to his statement, they arrested him before our father's death. Next, we have to inquire the other village people.
It's okay. Let's go.
Where shall we ask him?
Dude, just stop here.
I think he knows something. Let us ask him.
Hey,
Stop that!
hey,
Stop
hey,
that! Don't try it! Stop! Hey, don't try! Stop that! Kill you, man! Just stop it! Hey! Hey! Buddy, you should catch him! Don't leave him! Buddy, I can't run. Hey, stop there! Don't make me to kill you! Stop! Catch it.
How dare you?
Where are you?
I'm calling you. Why the hell you ran on seeing us?
Hey, if you chase me, won't I run? Why were you chasing me?
Hey, tell us the truth. You only killed his father, right?
Hey, what are you talking about? I didn't kill anyone. I might have told something in anger, but I didn't murder anyone. Don't blame me for that. Even though I have anger, the people of our village are united now. I am very happy for that.
Come on,
You
tell
know
me.
what? Your father is my relative. We are all a big family. How would I have killed him? If you don't believe me, kill me right now, brother.
Get away.
Go. Then why you unnecessarily made us to run? Idiot. Go.
Hey, stop the
Why?
bike.
Why?
Stop the bike, I say.
Okay, okay. Who's that? Buddy, who is
He's
it?
our guy only.
What happened to him?
Hey, go get some water from the shop.
Okay.
Hey,
God.
come quickly, man.
Here it is.
Brother,
Bro,
brother,
Bro.
come on, get up. Brother,
wake up.
get up.
Wake up.
Brother, you go and just lie down inside. We'll go and get something to eat.
Hey, wait, brother. I will make you food.
No need.
It's okay, brother. You just go and get some water alone.
Okay, brother.
Okay.
Dude, just switch it on.
Okay.
Here, take it, brother.
Dude, you want water?
Brother, the people in this photo.
It's my family photo, bro. What's up?
1 minute, brother.
Why he is going inside?
I don't know.
Forgive me, brother.
Huh?
Why?
In the festival, I didn't know it was your sister's phone and I took it.
Brother, there is no mobile for my sister actually.
Your sister's pictures are there. Look, brother.
What?
My
Our
sister's photo?
Yes,
See
brother.
that?
Let me see. Hey, our sister photo.
Buddy, I saw this person somewhere. Hey,
Dude,
he was the person who was killed by the villagers.
then who is he?
Who is he?
Dude, let's go. Dude, I'll send this photo to you. You just go to the college and show this to the master and ask him whether this guy tried to kill him. I'll go and show this photo to Devi and inquire.
It's a nice
Come on, do
idea.
it quickly. Bye.
Okay.
Brother, it's me, Madhi.
Yes, Madhi.
I'm sending you a photo and mobile number to your mobile immediately. Just track and let me know about that full details.
Okay, I'll get back to you on this.
Tell me, brother.
Madhi, his name is Karna. The address on his phone number is his friend's Karna's. And we tracked his phone, and the network shows us it is in Teni area. Okay, where are you now? Shall I come there?
No, brother. I'll take care of this.
Love is your sister, huh? You people are fraud. I just came to kill you only. What can I do? Your father's time has been gone. You just don't worry. Now I will kill you also. You go and see your father in heaven. Come behind me, come. How did your father died? Why did he die, do you know? Just I will say it. I have lost a friend. I'm not interested to lost everybody. So, I just came to kill your family and I want to finish your family. One day, I just listened that your sister was going with someone. I touched a girl in your village. What happened to your father? Your father hit my friend and he killed him. For that, I came here to kill your family.
Deepa? Hey, Deepa. Who's this person who called me? Deepa, my baby. Deepa. Deepa.
Hey,
Deepa.
Hey, old man. She didn't die, man. She is just alive. I was also cried. You killed my friend. Now I am interesting to see how you are going to live. Hereafter, want to cry and you want to die. I won't leave you anybody in your family. I will kill everybody in your family. Where it is? Yeah, I got it. Go to the hell. Go to the hell. Go to the hell, I say. What did I saw my friend's dead body? I just throwed your father's and sister's body there.
You have got a friend, and you're coming to take revenge for his death, right? I shouldn't leave you alive now. Hey, who are you? Who are you? Tell me. Why the hell you are interrupting my life? Without any mercy, you destroyed my family. Hey, do you know the meaning of a family? Do you know who is a dad? Do you know the meaning of real love? You are just a dead body without knowing that. Hey! Compared to that god, my dad is very big, you know. My family is important for me. If you are a gutful guy, you should have touched my dad in front of me. Unnecessarily, you destroyed my family. See, I'm gonna kill you now. You idiot! Whatever happened here is not an incident. It's just a beginning of a full stop for all the bad things. So I am not a murderer. We are